So, Jan, can you please tell me a little bit about which of the components we're going to study today so I can follow you with the camera?
Okay, start looking at the modem.
Okay, I got it.
Then we have the HMI optical fiber cables, a bit lower right there.
Okay, I see them now.
More to the right there you have the HMI extender set.
I got it. Yeah, this is so cool. Maybe. Oh, there you are. I see you. I see you now. Oh, that's cool.
Yes, so this is the blue cable here going into the HDMI extender. So
Okay.
here,
Oh, I see you now.
here, and we have the red cable.
Now I see it.
Yeah, so here is the HDMI device extender. You can see here, going into the device, you have the black one here.
So here you see the yellow optical fiber.
I see it now.
Okay, so here's I'm pointing at the Netgear fiber channel switch. See if I'm pointing at it?
Yes, I do. I do.
Yeah, you can see here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 cables up here. The last one is yellow one. Yep, it
Okay.
looks correct.
How does it feel to be in my room, although you are in Sweden, Linda?
It's pretty cool, actually.
Yeah, I must admit this is a very unusual experience. I think we are one of the first in the world that can do this with a phone. Just a phone and our software. We're able to recreate the room, interact, look under the cables, point, help each other out. I bet this will be very useful.
I think it feels absolutely awesome. It feels like I'm in your room, but I'm actually on the other side of the planet.
This is what we call spatial XR meetings, and this is just the beginning, guys. I want to thank you so much. I know it's Friday, it's late there. Thank you so much for this session.